Hi, my dear friends. Welcome to HD Bulls and Bears Analysis channel. This channel is for stock market tech analysis channel, where you can learn support and resistance, supply and demand, the candlestick patterns, short patterns, and other price action trading methods and all. Mostly, I'll be focusing on price action trading rather than indicator based trading, my dear friends. Before going to today's video, you please read the following disclaimer. Thank you, dear friends. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon. Please give your like button by pressing the like button. Please share this channel to your friends, to your social media group and all. This channel is for free learning of price action method of trading. If you are new to my channel, you can also join my telegram channel. This is the telegram channel. You can take the photo, you can take the screenshot and you can type in your browser. Okay, dear friends, today's video is about how to trade candlestick patterns. That is the video about how to trade candlestick patterns. Okay, dear friends, before going to this how to trade candlestick pattern part 1, this is the video I'm going to do. Okay, dear friends, this is the video I'm going to do, that is how to trade using a candlesticks part 1. Before that, that is I made several videos relating to price action, like how to draw trend lines, how support and resistance, flip 1, flip 2, then how to draw support and resistance easily. Okay, support and trends, price market structure, okay, price action trading and all I given. Apart from that, daily I am giving intraday calls also, that is for tomorrow's trading. Okay, I am giving various I am giving you 2 stocks. Okay, dear friends, so what you can do means you please observe these are all only for observation purpose. Okay, for earning and learning purpose, that is you please join my channel, and the whatever calls I am giving and whatever I am posting in this video and all only for educational purpose, only for observing and learning purpose. Okay, that is, if you are trading based on my views, based on my observations, it's your own risk. I am not recommending you to trade, just I am giving my own point of view. It may be wrong also. Okay, dear friends. Okay, now we can go to today's video, that is how to trade candlestick patterns part 1. Okay, dear friends, before that, before trading this candlestick patterns, okay, before trading this candlestick patterns, that is in this video, if you see, okay, that is in this video, that what I thought you in this video I have posted how to draw support and resistance, how to draw trend lines, support and resistance, how formed and all. That is I uploaded the video. Please refer those videos and all I'll be inserting in description. You please refer that, only then you can able to understand this one. Okay, dear friends, now we will go to today's video, that is how to that is how to trade using support and candlestick pattern, how to trade using candlestick pattern part 1. Okay, before understanding the candlestick pattern, that is this is called a resistance line. Okay, and this is called a support line. That is support and resistance, how to draw and all. It is in my YouTube channel. You can go and you can check it out, how it is, how support is formed, how resistance is formed. Only if you refer those videos you can able to understand this one. Okay, anyhow, this is the first video. Okay, part 1, how to trade using candlestick pattern part 1. Part 2 I will be uploading shortly. Okay, dear friends, now we will see that is candlestick patterns. This is called a resistance level and this is called a support level. Okay, dear friends, we will see the candles, what are the different candlesticks available. Okay, you see, that is there are various candlesticks like hammer, inverted hammer, dragonfly doji, bullish engulfing, piercing line, morning star, tweezer top, tweezer bottom, bearish engulfing, dragonfly doji, gravestone doji, like that various candlesticks are there. But that is abandoned baby, Okay, abandoned top and all various candlesticks are arami. Okay, various candlesticks are there, but for our convenience, okay, I'm taking you that is important candlesticks only I'm discussing here. What are those important candlesticks? First one is called bullish candlestick patterns. These bullish candlestick patterns, where it will be formed like hammer, inverted hammer, dragonfly doji, bullish engulfing, piercing line, morning star, and morning doji star. Where these candles and all will be formed means it will be formed in this support level. Okay, dear friends, this will be formed at the support level. The marked in red, no, that is this in support level. These candles and all like. Just now I told you like bullish engulfing, hammer, inverted hammer, dragonfly doji, piercing line and all. Okay, in a resistance line, what candles will be formed? Okay, what are the candles will be formed? Like see, this is called bearish candlestick pattern. Candles which are formed in bullish candlestick patterns are called as support level candlestick pattern. Candlesticks which are formed in resistance line, we can call it as bearish candlesticks pattern, like shooting star. These candles and all will be formed. These candles and all, if formed in resistance line, like shooting star, hanging man, gravestone doji, bearish engulfing, dark cloud cover, evening star, and evening doji star. Okay, these are all if it is formed in a resistance, we can go for short sell for the next day. If these candlesticks and all support level candlesticks, if it is formed in support level, we can go for long. Okay, dear friends, now we will see what these candles are all about. That is hammer. This hammer will be formed in these candles and all will be formed in if formed in support level, we can take a long entry. Hammer. Why it is called as a hammer? The shape of this candle is a hammer. After a downtrend, this candle is formed. If this candle is formed, it is called as a hammer. Inverted hammer. Opposite of a hammer is called as inverted hammer. Okay, see, inverted hammer. That is reverse of hammer. That's why it's called inverted. Dragonfly doji. Doji means, what do you mean by the term doji? Doji means that is only wicks will be there. Wicks will be more. Body will not be there. Okay, that means open and close will be same. That is the thing here. So dragonfly doji means open and close will be at the top. Okay, which is having a long wick. Okay, then bullish engulfing after a long downtrend, that is here, see, this is red candle is engulfed, is swallowed by this green candle. That's why it's called as bullish engulfing. And a piercing line after a downtrend, after this red candle, green candle is formed. This you can call it as a piercing line. Morning star. Okay, this small, after this downtrend, a small green candle is formed. This you can call as a morning star, and you can trade. That is according after, that is by above this eye and all. Morning doji star. Morning doji star means that is after this long downtrend. Yeah, what is the difference between morning star and the morning doji star? In morning star, that is what body will be there, some body. But in the morning doji star, opening value and closing value will be same. That is the thing here. Opposite of these is called bearish candlestick patterns. See, hammer, it is like inverted hammer, but it is called as a shooting star. I told you, it will be formed in resistance level. Okay, see, this is inverted hammer, and this one you can consider it as hanging man. Okay, hanging man will be formed in a resistance. If it is formed in a resistance level, we can go for short. Gravestone doji, opposite of dragonfly is gravestone. Okay, if formed in resistance level, you can go for short sell. Bearish engulfing. Okay, after a long uptrend, that is this candle is formed, it swallows the bullish candle. Dark cloud cover, opposite of this one, a piercing line, you can consider as a dark cloud cover. And evening star. Okay, same like morning star and evening star. And last one, morning doji star and evening doji star. See, that is how the star is formed in the support level. Here it is formed at resistance level. That is the thing here. Now in the next video, how to trade using candlestick pattern on my own view, that part 2, that I will be uploading shortly, dear friends. Okay, if you have any doubts, you please ask me in the comment section. Thank you, dear friends. We will see in the next video.